review is MoneyLion. MoneyLion is another cash advance app that also offer more different features inside it. So you can also get a cash advance with MoneyLion. So with MoneyLion, they have already generated over 5 million downloads so far. You can see right there. And the total review so far is 4.5 rating. And the reviews, total rating than the reviews is over 100,000 reviews, as you can see right there. And if you scroll the way down, you can see the snapshot, make better money decision, get cash fast up to $500 benefit that will make you say wow. You can also earn cash back on big finance decision. You can also get banking that give you more tailored solution for every solution tailored solution to every question you have. And if you also scroll down, you're gonna see uh the about us section and what they actually have for you. So if you click on it, you're gonna see every details about the app. So this is just on Google Play Store. We don't really know what's actually going on the Apple App Store. So you can see the app was updated on the May 2 2nd 2024. And if you scroll all the way down, you're gonna see the reviews that people are actually dropping about the app. So you can see right there, uh, this from Carrie Kelly, 2-star rating, started off great, which is quite amazing. So you can read through the reviews, so you see what people are actually saying about the app. This is another one from Joseph, so you can see this is 5-star rating so far. This app is excellent. It in what it does. It also does exactly as described. The customer service is excellent, kind, and helpful. 5-star all around. Hope if you are looking for a helpful financial uh, app, you at least give it a go. So only negative, so it is. The only feature doesn't allow you to pull whole amount, only a set amount at a time, meaning so you have to do multiple transactions to get what you need when you need it. So this ultimately raises amount owed back. Then, but it is very flexible. So, and if you scroll, I'm gonna see another review, which is 5-star from Brandon. Can see not bad, give nice advance. Only thing that sucks is that the fact that they try to trick you into giving them more money. First screen is a tip screenshot. You say $0. Next it loads the advanced screen, which auto put them getting a $10 tip after you said zero. Also, I changed to free delivery for of my money. Next screen asks you to change back to instant deposit for $9. So they then one last give us a tip screen. This is super annoying and pissed me off if I mess up one step because I am out of extra money when I repay. That's not fair. So what I guess is that they are just trying to like, okay, they're gonna get a tip for everything they do, like a tip. You should tip them. But then it doesn't make sense when they are the one that deciding on how much they actually want. So as far as a tip, you can decide to tip them $1 or $2 based on what you feel like. But for them to be deciding on exact amount they you should tip them, that's way out of it. But then these are just the cash advance app where you figure out there that you can literally use to get cash advance till your pay day. So, and then I believe you can decide on which one actually work best for you. And then you can let us know in the comment section which one you were able to try and what's your experience if you already tried one after this video before. Thank you. I will see you in the next one. Peace.